Hey guys, this is Ryan at Kaizink, and now I am showing you how to name a product within a Fulfill Engine white label web store. So we've got it all set up the way that we want, and now we're going to click Save Product. And you can see now it's saving all the images. Depending on how many colorways and images you've got set up, will determine how long that part takes. So product name, this is going to be what the client sees on the web store front. So we could just keep that Richardson snapback trucker cap, and then we're going to do space, vertical line break, 112, which is the SKU number of the hat, and then we're also going to put in the name at the end here. So this would be Tough Shed, and this is a part of the process where the standard may change. Currently, the standard is what the garment is, the style number, and then the customer name. One of the other things that we could do is if there's particular designs, we could start with a particular design name. So let's say this was a specific event or something that's outside of their normal uniform, or we could even call it uniform. But either way, that's what would go in this first section, and the style number, and then the customer name. Design name, this is also something that is possibly going to change. And so what we could call this is hat front underscore black. Because when we create a different version, a different colorway, the design name would have to be saved. As to say we use like white thread or something like that, it would be that hat front underscore white. So there are variables that change on this, and I don't think we need to get too crazy with the naming convention as long as it's quickly identifiable. So right now, HF underscore black. Okay, now we can go ahead and click create.